Feeling overwhelmed, like your brain is a never-ending to-do list, a replay of past mistakes, or a worry machine about the future. You are not alone. What if I told you there's a simple, free, and incredibly powerful brain hack that can instantly reduce stress, boost your focus, and actually make you happier? And you can start seeing results in just 5 minutes a day. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you will have the exact tools to unlock a calmer, a better you. This isn't woo-woo. It is neuroscience, and it is about to change your life. Welcome to my channel. So, what is this magic trick? It is called mindfulness. Now, before you picture gurus or mountaintops chanting, let's hit pause. Mindfulness isn't about emptying your mind, becoming emotionless, or joining a cult. It is actually much simpler and much more practical. It is about paying attention on purpose in the present moment, without judgment. Think of it as exercising your attention muscle. And just like any muscle, the more you train it, the stronger it gets. Why bother? Because our minds naturally wander. Studies show we spend almost half of our waking hours not in the present moment. That means we are missing out on life as it is happening, and often getting caught in cycle of stress and anxiety. So, why should you care? Beyond the immediate calm, mindfulness has incredible, scientifically proven benefits. There are at least 5 benefits. First, mindfulness helps reduce stress. Stress drains you, right? Mindfulness helps by recalibrating your brain's stress response. It strengthens your prefrontal cortex, the brain's control center, while calming the amygdala, your fear response hub. This creates a crucial pause, letting you observe stressful thoughts instead of getting swept away. You get the power to choose a thoughtful, calm reaction over an automatic, anxious one. Improves your focus. Mindfulness sharpens your focus like a mental workout. By repeatedly bringing attention to the present, you strengthen neural pathway for concentration. This reduces mind wandering, make it easier to stay on task and direct your attention where it is needed. It enhances self-awareness. You understand yourself better, leading to better choices. Fourth, it improves relationships. Being in the present time helps you truly connect with others. Mindfulness can significantly boost your relationships by fostering greater presence and empathy. When you are truly present, you actively listen and connect with others. This deepens understanding and strengthens bonds. And fifth, it gives you better sleep. Calming your mind helps you drift off easier. Mindfulness helps you sleep better by quieting that buzzing brain keeping you up. By focusing on your breath, you cut through worries, helping your body chill out for sleep. It actually makes it easier to switch off your active mode, leading to deeper, more refreshing rest. Calming your mind helps you drift off easier. Alright, enough talk, let's do this. The most fundamental mindfulness practice is focusing on your breath. It's always with you. It's always in the present moment. And it's the perfect anchor for your attention. This is your 5-minute brain hack. Let's try this together. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. can close your eyes or soften your gaze. Just notice your breath. Don't try to change it. Just observe it. Feel the air entering your nostrils, or the rise and fall of your chest or belly. Notice the sensation of the breath. Is it shallow or deep? Fast or slow? No judgment, just pure observation. When your mind wanders, and it will, that is what minds do. Gently, without criticism, bring your attention back to the breath. It's like training a puppy. When it wanders, we gently guide it back. No scolding, just back to the breath. Let's try it for 1 minute in silence. How was that? If your mind was racing, congratulations! You just experienced what every human mind does. The goal isn't to stop thinking, it is to notice when you are thinking, and then gently return to your anchor. Come on, beginner, thoughts are, I can't clear my mind. I'm bad at this. This feels weird. Or totally normal. Every time you notice your mind wandering and gently bring it back, you are building that attention muscle. You are succeeding. Mindfulness isn't just about sitting quietly. You can bring it into every part of your day. These are powerful ways to integrate it. First, mindful eating. Next time you eat, take 1 bite, really taste it. Notice the textures, the flavors, smells. Chew slowly. How different is that experience? Mindful walking. Feel your feet on the ground. Notice the rhythm of your steps. What do you see? What do you hear? What do you smell around you? Let go of the rushing. Third, mindful shores. Watching ditches. Feel the warm water, the soap, the texture of the plate. It sounds mundane, but it transforms a shore into an opportunity for presence. Fourth, the 3 breath reset. So before responding to an email or entering a meeting or having a difficult conversation, take 3 conscious breaths. This creates a pause, shifting you from reaction to thoughtful response. Mindful listening. When someone is talking, truly listen. Don't plan your reply, just observe their words. The key is to pick one activity and try it mindfully for a few minutes. You don't have to change your entire life overnight. So, how do you make this stick? Because let's be real, consistency is often the hardest part. First, you start small. I told you 5 minutes a day, and I made it. Even 2 minutes is better than none. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for consistency. Second, pair your mindfulness practice with something you already do every day. Brush your teeth, then meditate for 2 minutes. Drink your morning coffee mindfully. What about set a reminder? Use your phone, just a simple chime at the same time every day. Be patient and kind to yourself. There will be days you forget, days it feels hard. That's okay. Just start again the next day. This is a practice, not a destination. No one is perfectly mindful all the time. Or you can find your community, share your journey. Tell a friend you are trying it. Accountability helps. Remember, this is a skill, and like any skill, it gets easier and more effective with practice. Imagine how much calmer, clearer, and happier you could be just by dedicating a few minutes a day to yourself. And here's how you can help this video reach more people. You can like this video if you found it helpful. It tells YouTube to share it. Subscribe to my channel for more practical tips to live a happier, more present life. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss our new contents. And most importantly, share this video with someone you care about who might be struggling with stress or overwhelm. You could literally change their day or even their life. Before I go, let me share something personal. Before I started practicing mindfulness, I was constantly caught in my head, ruminating on mistakes, dreading the future. I felt like I was always running but never getting anywhere. Mindfulness didn't make my problems disappear, but it gave me the space to respond to them instead of reacting from a place of panic. It truly transformed my relationship with myself and the world around me. And if it can do that for me, it can do that for you too. You deserve this peace, this clarity, this presence. So take a deep breath right now. Feel that? That's your starting point. You have everything you need within you. Start small, be consistent, and watch your world begin to shift. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Until next time, be present, be kind, and keep practicing. You've got this. Thank you for watching. See you all next episode.